Yo, 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 yo. What's up? What's up? What's up? What is up? Alright, alright. We're fucking done with all this shenanigans. Oh! What's up? What's up? What's up? Good morning, brothers. I'm reading the chat just now. Yo, dude, what do you think of order flow plus ICT trading? I mean, order flow is pretty good. I see a lot of good traders trade order flow. Very profitable traders. Um, I've looked into order flow myself. However, I feel like at the end, adding more confluences just adds more noise, in my opinion. The simpler your strategy, the better. The dumber your strategy, the better, because you can trade it mechanically. But to each their own. If it works for you, definitely give it a spin. Happy to see you started the road to glory. Yes, sir. The plan is to complete the road to glory. We're in day 30 right now. Around day 100, hopefully, we would have completed the road to glory. Day 100. Let me go ahead, open trading view because I do have. Shit, I'm sleepy today, boys. Let's see. Alright, let me fix my mess. Hold up. I tried copy trading and Tradeovate and it's kind of sketchy. Kind of sketchy. Definitely want to trade micros today. I am not gonna. I do have one funded account right here on TradingView, but I'm not gonna trade it. I'm only gonna trade evals because I want to get max funding. And I also have this account here on TradingView. I mean on Top Step, fixing all my mess. Good morning. Good morning. I'm gonna stay with the ICT strategy I have right now, but still finna learn more about order flow. Go for it, brother. Have you attempted trend line trading? Hell nah, bruh. I mean, when you first start out and you don't know nothing else about trading, damn, my eyes are burning, bro, from the screen. And you don't know anything else about trading, you just fucking trade whatever, bro. And one of those things, trend line, but you don't really know what the fuck you're doing, really. Or at least I didn't know what the fuck I was doing. Toble's 940 to establish our daily bias. We do have a clear liquidity sweep, liquidity grab right here. Yo, good morning, good morning. Misk, it looks like you went to bed 30 minutes ago, bro. I don't know what the hell is going on, bro. It was hard to wake. I actually woke up like 10 minutes ago, bro. I think that's the issue here. Let's drink some fucking water, bro. But I didn't even sleep late, bro. It's one of those days. We're good. We're good. Give me a break, please. Probably need to stare like into the sun for a bit. Oh, that shit's bright. That shit is bright. All right, let's see. Let's see here. Clear liquidity grab. Do we have any news today by chance? I guess. I need ES to dump. Well, don't be disappointed if it doesn't. Let's see. Damn, we have a massive volume imbalance that is still unfilled here. This is a clear draw on liquidity. Why do we have this? I don't fucking know, bro. My eyes are red and shit. Clear volume imbalance right there. I'm gonna mark it out just cause. I do expect to see price trade back into that sometime in this daily candle. However, we are neutral on the daily time frame. Let's type it out. On the daily, we're neutral. On the 4 hour, let's see. Neutral, neutral as well. Kind of chop. We are respecting this 4 hour. Let me see. We kind of inversed it. I mean, kind of neutral, bro. We do have a lot of equal highs right here. Like I said, I think I'm more inclined bullish, but let's do neutral on the 4 hour as well. Let's see the 1 hour. The 1 hour, we were trading inside of this bearish, making us bearish for the 1 hour. Bearish for the 15 minute. We did inverse that. Inverse this bullish. We inverse this bullish fair value gap right here, making us bearish on the 15 minute. I mean, that already gives us a bullish bias without looking at the 5 minute. Z is down. What do you mean by down? Shouldn't be down. But we do have this massive volume imbalance right there. You see it? That I do want to see price come trade into. Not married to the bias really. Macro's about to start. Let's see what happens. This first macro does not look too enticing. We do have kind of a chop. We do have unmitigated London highs and Asia highs up here. And we have our volume imbalance up here. So there's some good draws on liquidity here on the buy side of the curve. Do we want the sell model to complete? Perhaps. But I would be more inclined to taking them. New day opening gap, yes sir. New day opening gap. Oh, sheesh. Some more water. Bom dia, Rodrigo. Welcome, brother. Welcome. So I mean, From the top down analysis for daily bias, if they give us bearish, would I short here? Hell no. What would I like to see ideally? Maybe some sort of liquidity sweeps up here. We do have the same opening gap on ES. So perhaps, like I said, this first macro doesn't look too juicy to trade it. What do we have? We have a low chop. We did have a swing low right here that swept liquidity, but price is coming back to trade into it. There's really nothing for me to trade here, so I'm just gonna wait, as we all should. Good morning, good morning. Good morning, boys. Welcome. Welcome, welcome. My boy Sam, my boy Rivi, what's up, brothers? The top down analysis did give us bearish. However, I do want to see us trade up into those huge imbalances. We do have some juicy equal lows starting from here that price could trade into. Let's mark these out as well. Mark them out on the ES as well. ES is far from taking it. Oh my god. ES is far from taking them, and NQ's just right there around the corner. And see what happens. Longs might be good. Perhaps we'll see. This first macro does not look too enticing to trade. Let's let price do whatever the fuck it wants to do. We definitely need more context. I feel like the second macro's gonna be where the move's at. This could be a clear manipulation. I don't know if I want to trade the manipulation. I'd rather trade the distribution. But nothing for me to trade here. According to Apex's calculation, 6% returns must be achieved. What do you mean by in just 24 hours? What do you mean by that? Like to pass the account in one day? Do you mean that? We're close to reaching those equal lows to pass the account. I mean, on FOMC, I passed it in one day, bro. And yesterday, I was close to passing it in one day. I'm up $2,000 on across two accounts of Apex from one trade yesterday. I mean, it's not a requirement, right? But hey, one day to pass if you want a full port. I mean, I'm not enticing to blow your money, right? But they are just $20. Yeah, I traded it off stream, the PM macro, 250 from 310. I'll review it right now, but there was a clear unicorn, clear. You could pass Apex in one day, yes, sir. Nice, bro. But if I don't get a 6%, is the account closed? Nah, bro. Nah, nah, nah. You have a full month. There's just the option if you want to pass it in one day, you can. Love from India. Hello, brother. Welcome. We do have this order block right here. We always mark out all the order blocks. If you want to see this flip, we do have a liquidity sweep right here. If we want to push bull, we want to see this flip on both NQ and ES. This being our market structure shift right here. If price comes up, but the 90% off promotion is only for 1 day. Nah, bro. So like 90% off, you could buy 20 accounts and like you could leave them for a month. I mean, before you get charged. But you don't have to pass them in 1 day. But I think that promotion ends in of Monday. But you don't have to pass the account in 1 day. You're tripping, brother. 90% discount is just 90% discount. By the way, I do have a code. If y'all want to support your boy, I make no money off this stream. The only way to support me is there's a 90% discount right now in Apex with code MISC. We're getting a nice inverse. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. I'm watching closely. Because at the end, this could respect this bearish order block and keep displacing lower. I'm watching it though. Use that link. We're getting a nice displacement. We want to see a shift on the S2 as well though. No shift on the S yet. And probably just about right there. How many points? I'm gonna do 5. Let me prepare everything on. It's at our limit. Bro, I'm gonna give it a try. Right there, just about. See, we get tapped. I do have my limit set. No shift on the S. Not yet. I mean, I'm willing to give this a stab since I am bullish. The end. With calculated risk, we shouldn't have a problem. I'm not gonna full port, clearly. See if we get tapped here on ES. Yo, what up, Ghost? Welcome. Haven't seen you in a while, bro. Mm,
Order filled.
Order filled.
we're in that. Let's see what happens. We want to see a clean delivery to our take profit. See what happens. ES is just ranging. NQ definitely does look stronger than ES. Want to see that push? We are gonna get a new candle open here in 30 seconds. ES is definitely looking on the weaker side, but NQ is resisting. Want to see that push? New candle open. See what we get here. Oh boy. Lot of volume. That's it. No way. Nah, it's out. Go away, go away, go away. What the fuck, bro? Go away, go away, go away. That's it.
Order filled.
Order filled.
That's it, boys. That's it. Yeah, we didn't get our shift on the S. I wanted to give it a stab though, give it a try. We're gonna wait for the next macro. I mean, yeah, brother. I mean, it's really not that deep, you know? Just one trade. It's not like we full ported or nothing. Gotta wait for the shift on both. Gonna wait for the next macro to give it another try. Wait, let me close my fucking door because there's hella noise, bro. Let's take a screenshot real quick just to journal it. Uh, Here, stop loss. And we almost got edged there. That would have been crazy, right? here. Take a screenshot. I mean, we are getting another shift, another lower low being put. We do have some good order blocks on ES. There's this good order block on NQ. We'll see what happens. We do still have them equal lows. I was so confident in that unicorn. Fuck. Now we had no shift on ES. Brian was saying, he was warning us. Massive dump though. Take calculated risks. Don't risk more than you can lose. Live to see another day. There's gonna be more unicorns. We're sweeping those equal lows, putting SMTs with ES, bullish SMTs. I was always taking maybe trades too, thinking the market would just go up or down, and always got cooked. We're dumping. Took the same long, so good draws to the upside. Yep. We got no shift on the S though. Fuck. I want to chew gum, but nah, cause that's gonna ruin the stream. Four trades so far this month. That's crazy. That is crazy. Quality, quantity, yes, sir. 3 wins, one break even. Nice, brother. Clean stats. Trying to be like you for real. Shit. I want to chew gum, but I can't. Alright, we're gonna wait for the next macro. Could this be a push for that? Perhaps. I don't know. No one knows. We're getting a nice sell off. New day opening gap. A lot of buy side. Yes, I'm doing a giveaway today. Yes, sir. One Apex account up to 300K. I am definitely doing a giveaway. Whatever happens today, the place still longs. Yep. A lot of buy side liquidity. Yes, we're giving away 2 accounts today. Or maybe one. We'll see how many people join. I know there's gonna be a lot of begging. We'll see. We'll see how I'm feeling. But I'm definitely doing the giveaway. If you want to enter the giveaway, all you have to do is comment. If you've already commented on the stream, you're automatically already entered in the giveaway. But you have to be subscribed. Right now the macro is over. We're gonna wait for the next macro to take a trade. Y'all can chill for now. Do whatever you gotta do. But I'm waiting, brothers. There is a sale going on here on Apex. 90% discount. I've already passed one of those accounts. I still haven't traded it yet. I'm gonna wait for 2026. I'm copy trading 2 evals right now that I'm close to passing. Hopefully we could pass them today or Monday next week so I could buy more accounts and keep taking advantage of the discount. Try to get as much allocation with the discount so we could be like Brahim and only take like 4 trades in a month and be more detached. My ideal goal is to have 5 funded accounts copy traded. That would be my goal. ES is just about to pair up. I'm not gonna trade any fundeds right now in December. I'm gonna wait for January because I have no rush. I'd rather just get max allocate as much allocation as I can and start the year with funded accounts and start the road to glory fresh. We do have one funded account right now. We're not trading it, but I'm close to passing what other firms are using. So I'm using TopStep and Apex. TopStep and Apex. Right now, I do want to take advantage of the discounts on Apex. I do want to get as much allocation as I can on Apex. Nah, manually, bro. I have Tradeovate right here. You can see, well, with this loss, I was 2,000 away, but now I'm 1,300 away from passing these accounts. This is the funded account that I'm not trading. Wait, I'm tripping. I thought my headset turned off. But I'm just manually trading them. I know. It's kind of sketchy. I need more practice, but I mean, it's working right now. I do have to practice for the fundeds though. I mean, at the end, this is evals, and I hate evals, I'm not gonna lie. Which I shouldn't, right? But I don't respect them. Like, I respect fundeds. Like, I make fundeds last, and I try to be. I feel like I am disciplined. I'm a disciplined trader. I wait for setups. I mean, I need to trade more quality like you. But I feel like I have my discipline and patience down to the wire, figured out. So I'm feeling good. I'm feeling real good. I just have to practice more, like I said on the trade of it. You're for sure disciplined, yes, sir. Need 2 days till I get a payout on both my accounts. No rush, no rush, brother. But that's fucking good, bro. That's fucking dope. You're in critical times right now. Lock in, brother. Lock in. Job's not finished. Which I know you know, right? Waiting till next week, yes, sir. I saw someone say that if you get 500 accounts and just aim for 200 a day on each day and shoot about 3 times a week, that would be 3,000 a week and 10,000, 2,000 a month. Decent income, low risk. You ever tried inversions? I for sure tried inversions, but it's not my style of trading because I would get there's inversions everywhere, right? And I feel like I would get blindsided by them. And for me, the unicorn is a lot more clear. Um, right now, for example, the no shift on ES when we entered long here, uh, all that is learning, right? Because I just started trading the unicorn. Like y'all are seeing me trade the unicorn like super recently. Because when my Insta started blowing up is when I barely started trading the unicorn. When I said, all right, I'm gonna forward test this and I'll be strict with the unicorn. And I've gotten really sharp at finding it, but there's still a lot to learn for me, right? There's still things that I'm still iterating upon my strategy, upon what I'm looking for, my risk, my trade management. Like there's still a lot of things I'm forward testing. However, I feel like I get that good feeling that this is the way to go. I have some good friends of mine that trade inversions. Um, a good friend of mine just got like two payouts in fucking 2 weeks. He got some big money. I'm not gonna say his name right, but he made like 3,400 USD in like 20 trading days, which is fucking bonkers, bro. And that brother trades inversion. He trades the forever model. But I don't know. I'm not too keen on the inversion type shit. I know it works. I know it's profitable. But at the end of the day, it comes down to discipline, right? Being able to wait for the setup. Because realistically, every strategy works, bro. Like you just have to have good risk management, good patience, discipline. That's what it comes down to. And if for me finding the unicorn gives me the patience and the discipline that I'm looking for, I'm gonna trade the unicorn. Because IFVG, that shit was too confusing to me in a way, right? I would get faked out a lot. That's all it is, waiting for the setup. Really waiting for the setup, yes, sir. Yeah, that's why I'm excited for January. Like next week is gonna be the last week I'm gonna trade to keep iterating on this unicorn shit. And I know, I know I'm gonna have a good year next year. I know it. I'm gonna have a good year in terms of inputs. Having good inputs, good patience, good discipline, good risk management, good trade setups. Like I said, I'm still forward testing it. My brain is still connecting the dots, right? To be as specific, but at the same time as simple as possible for the unicorn. It feels good. I do feel the detachment, right? My ego is not attached to my P&L. Like I said, I'm making my funded last, which I'm happy about. Um, I'm being disciplined to wait for the macros, to wait for my setups. Look, let's see yesterday's unicorn, the one I took. It was right here. This is obviously a buy model right here. We're pumping. We're obviously pumping, but as you can see in the buy model, there's always retracements, right? Retracement, right? So me thinking that price was bound to get exhausted after sweeping these liquidities here to the left, my thought process was I'm waiting for a shift in market structure, right? I'm waiting for price exhaustion. And I logged on like around here, just about, and I was ready to go heavy on contracts, right? Because I had just gotten the two Apex accounts, and I was like, all right, I'm gonna wait for the macro, and I'm gonna wait for a unicorn. I'm not gonna trade nothing that's not a unicorn. And what do you know? What do we have here? We had our last manipulation candle here, sweeping all the liquidity. We have a beautiful unicorn here, a beautiful bullish order block that gets inversed. It is the 250 to 310 macro. We had a 3 minute and a 1 minute. I entered early off the 3 minute on this candle, and then I added more cons on the enter on the 1 minute. Stop loss just above the high, just about the 2 to 1. This was for a $2,000 profit gain, risking one rack to make two. Obviously, price ended up pushing a lot lower, but these are the types of unicorns you want, right? Where you get no drawdown. Look at that. Beautiful no drawdown. If you like trend lines, beautiful trend line right there. But this was the unicorn that I took. Price ends up reversing and keeps pushing, right? But we just want right there it was, what was it? Around 20 points? I think it was around like 25 points that I took. But clear, beautiful unicorn in the macro. Damn, we're fucking bleeding. What up, what up? Welcome, welcome. We are doing a giveaway. We are doing a giveaway on stream. If you want to enter the giveaway, you have to be subscribed and you have to just comment here on the stream and you'll automatically enter the giveaway. I'm giving away an Apex account up to $300,000. If you want some of that, all you have to do is just comment on the stream and be subscribed. I'm trying to reach 500 subs by the end of the year because I would love to monetize on YouTube. I would love to do some trade recaps, some more long form videos, but for that I need 500 subs. So I'm trying to get that sub count up. I'm gonna keep streaming till next week, Friday. Next week is going to be my last trading day before we take a break for holidays. In all honesty, I don't know what the fuck I'm gonna do. I lose a sense of purpose without trading. Most likely, what I would do is I'm gonna do long form. I think I'm gonna double down on the road to glory. I'm gonna make a video more in depth talking about the road to glory, talking about the strategy, the risk management, talking about everything. But being super, super in depth of the step by step on how I'm going to get where I want to get. And I'm gonna set it in stone with the video. Like I said, I want to do some more long form vlog style videos just to fill in this 2 week gap because I don't want to like disappear. I still want to be active. I have good engagement on my socials right now, and I want to keep that momentum going. We're fucking bleeding, bro. Like we're just dumping into no man's land. What the hell is that volume imbalance, bro? It's pissing me off, low key, high key. We do have massive bullish SMT, bro, with ES. Massive. How much is the 50k Apex right now? 20 bucks, bro. For the eval, it's 20 bucks. If you want to activate it, once you pass it, it's 65 bucks. So in total, it's 85 bucks to get a funded account, right? On Top Step, it's 90 bucks, a no activation combine. So it's much better to give $20 up front than the full $85 up front before even passing an account. There's a link pinned here in the chat for the Apex or code MISC if y'all want to take advantage of the discount. I think there's like 3 more days left. It ends Monday, I'm pretty sure. I do want to buy as much accounts as I can to take full advantage. They're 1 day to pass if you want to pass them in 1 day. I don't suggest it though, but if you want to, you can give it a spin. You get money off it. If you use my code, I get a 15% commission. That's the only way I'm monetizing this shit for now. but I do wish to monetize off YouTube. In all honesty, I don't think I'll ever sell a course or a mentorship or any bullshit like that. I want to make money off trading is what I want to do. And I would love to be a content creator, right? I would love to monetize off ads, affiliates. I do have, for example, I do have one sponsorship with a prop firm that they wanna give me some accounts to trade with, but they're really not reputable, right? They don't really have any, how am I say, exposure here in the US, and they really want to sign me, but I've been hesitant because I'm too unsure, right? I don't want it to be a scam, and I'm not gonna take like any deal just for the bread, right? Like I said, I don't make money off this, like off this stream. I don't make any money off my socials unless y'all use my affiliate from Apex. That's the only way I'm making money. The only way I'm monetizing this shit. But yeah, I want to eat this piece of gum, bro, but I'm not going to. If you want to enter the giveaway, we are doing a giveaway at the end of the stream. We're giving away 2 Apex accounts or one maybe. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see how many people join in the end. If you want to enter the giveaway, all you have to do is comment. You comment once, you automatically enter, but you have to be subscribed. Which trade did you take? We took a long. We took a long right here. This was the exact trade we took. We had a bearish order block here that got inverse. Market structure shift. What was the mistake? There was no shift on ES. There was a shift on AQ, not none on ES. And we took a small loss. This is the unicorn we took in the first macro. 10 more minutes for the next macro. We're waiting. The code is just MISC. So you would use this top wick as the shift instead of the body. Bet, noted. Noted for sure. My code is MISC, just code MISC. I'm gonna stock up on the accounts over the weekend. I'm gonna see how much I could buy. but I do want to take advantage of the discount. Code MISC. Joe, no begging in the chat, please, brother. No begging in the chat. We're waiting for the macro. 8 more minutes. I don't know what it is with gum that I have a thing for, bro. It's just it kills that anxiety. I don't know how to explain it. But we're waiting. We're waiting. Usually, what I do, I mean, this is like y'all can ask questions if y'all want to hear me yap. But usually, what I do between macros is I just play some chess, bro. I know y'all don't want to see a chess stream, but this is what I usually do between the macros. Oh, we're throwing. I'm ready to sack my piece here. Shit, we. Oh, he blundered. I blundered. Nah, time's up. I took 4 trade. First trade win. 2 trade was a good loss. 3 trade was in drawdown, and I got scared. Early exit, and it hit TP. Don't get scared, brother. 4 trade missed my mind. Just got exploded, and I am more drawdown, bruh. I want to become a GM, but I'm bad at chess. Practice. How does Apex Funding work? All right, let me address that first comment. Took 4 trades. I mean, what even is your setup, bro? Do you have a set of rules you follow, or do you think like you just gambled? When you enter the trade, you can't be scared. You have to let it either run to stop loss or hit TP or break even. Can't be scared. Inversion. Let it play out. Let it run. Lower your risk. If you're scared, it's because you're risking too much. I want to become a GM, but I'm bad at chess. Practice, practice, study, practice, study, practice, play. How does Apex funding work? So, I mean, Apex, what you have to, there is a live trailing drawdown on evals. And how does it work? You buy an account of any size you want. You reach the target limit. You can pass them in 1 day. When you pass them, you activate it, and that's it. The max payout you could get in Apex, however, is $2,000. After the third $2,000 payout, you unlock full payouts. But what Apex wants is discipline. No gambling on Apex is allowed on evals. On Top Step, they're a lot more flexible with gambling, with full porting, but Apex doesn't fuck with that at all. Because if you gambled on your eval, you might get your payout denied. You need consistent wins, consistent stack up days. Because that's how it should be, right? I stopped today because of other guys who joined the call saying things totally contrary to my perspective. You get distracted and I'm going where you shouldn't. I'm really angry, bro. I mean, yeah. Yeah, that's why you shouldn't be on the call. I mean, even here on stream, a lot of the times and a lot of the trades, not today, but I mean, it doesn't really, I don't really look at the chat anymore when I'm in the trade. But at the beginning, it was kind of discouraging and distracting where I enter a trade and people are taking the opposite of my trades. And oh, yeah, I took a short and people are, I'm long here, bro. And at the end, the play ends up going in my favor and they don't type anything anymore. It's like, bro, then why even say it in the first place if you're not going to follow up on it? Like, just are you just trying to cause like hysteria or distraction? Because at the end, trading in like per se, trading like actually the act of clicking the button, that has to be personal. That has to be like even here with you guys, the intention is that eventually y'all don't need me anymore, right? Y'all could take trades by yourself because it's not really helpful or healthy that if you're following my trades and using me as a signal to make money, that's not helpful for you. You need to be able to take the trades by yourself. But everything else, every other aspect of trading, like accountability, discipline, journaling, all that, I think we should help each other out with that. Not the part of the strategy. Everything else outside of trading, we should help each other with that. Because a lot of the times in our trading, we have shame. There's shame in our trading, right? Hold up. We're super secretive with our loved ones, with our friends. We don't. Oh yeah, we're in trading. Okay, okay, we're getting it. Wait, let me see. It's macro time. Enough with the app. We're getting a nice push off this breaker block. And we do have a shift right here. I'll probably do 5 again. And let's take it for a spin. You trade on Apex? Give me a second, bro. I'll help you. Wait, fuck, I forgot to mention this. Did you buy the Tradeovate accounts, or with what platform did you buy? Make sure you bought them on Tradeovate if you want to trade on TradingView.
Order filled.
Order filled.
And we're in there. Let's see what happens. You bought them on Rhythmic. You're gonna have to download. I think it's Ninja Trader. Can I cancel and rebuy on Tradeovate? Shit, I don't know, bro. I'm not sure. Wait, hold up. I'll help you out right now. Give me a second. Let me focus on the trade. Want to see that push higher? Think my stop loss should be down here, realistically, aiming for higher. Because there's a bullish order block right here. I could push price higher, but I'm not gonna move it. And this might be a fast one. Go away, go away. That's it. I see strong, strong selling pressure. That's it. It's playing games. Oh my god. My stop loss should be lower. I don't know if I should move it, bro. Or just keep it as is. That's it. That's it.
Order filled.
I'm gonna hold it on trading on trade of it, but we're out. Price is fucking heavy right now. I'm holding it on trade of it. Still don't exit. Yeah, it does not look like it wants to reverse. We are leaving some gaps here. Manipulation inside of the bag. There's a unicorn for short. Is it this one?
Order filled.
That's it. That's it. Might be done for the day. I think I am done for the day. Took some losses. It is what it is. Price is too heavy. I think we were too married with the bullish bias, but we're big chilling. Price is heavy, heavy right now. All right. We're going to do the giveaway. Yes, sir. We're doing the giveaway right now, actually. If you want to enter the giveaway, you have to be subscribed and comment on the stream. Nice try at us, point 0.5. Calculated risk. Comment on the stream. Comment it up. Last entries. I'm giving away one account today and another one on Monday. So you have to be subscribed and comment on the stream. I'm gonna give y'all a little bit more chance. How many giveaways you gonna do? I mean, bro, gotta give back. Y'all are showing support. Y'all are showing support, so I do wanna give back, right? And I'm trying to get more shit to give away. So if y'all could like the stream, subscribe, comment, that would really help me. If y'all want me to do more giveaways, that would really support me. And we might close our entries here soon, alright? We're only giving one account away right now. And we're going to do another one on Monday. Remember, if the winner doesn't claim the prize, we're going to respin, alright? So I'm about to close the entries. Last chance to comment and subscribe. Last chance. Like, comment, subscribe. Alright, closing them now. I'm doing one spin, alright? If they don't claim the prize, we're doing another spin. Let's load the comments. Continue. Spinning names. And there can't be repeat winners. If you've already won, we're going to respin. Alright? W's in the fucking chat. Spam the W's in the chat. Let's go. Let's go. Bro, I don't even want to click it. I always get fucking nervous, dog. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. W's, W's. Let's go. Let's go. Ready or not? Ready or not? Let's go. Oh! Alright. Enough with the jokes. Good luck. Good luck to everybody. Good luck. We're doing more giveaways. If you don't lose, if you don't win, don't get bummed out. We're doing more giveaways. Ready? Go. Oh! Anbu Ray. Congratulations, brother. Congratulations. You have to claim your prize. I see you right there in the chat. Congratulations, brother. Congratulations. Like I said, on Monday, I'm doing another giveaway. Next week, I'm giving away more accounts. We're going to keep going, all right? Thank y'all for the support. This is why I'm giving away accounts. All the support, doing more giveaways. Hopefully, I could do a giveaway every stream so everybody gets a chance to win. But that's that. All right, GG's, brothers. I love you all. Thank y'all for the support. I'll catch y'all on Monday, all right? Yes, next week is the last week. Next week, last week. All right. Take care. Love you. Goodbye.